Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Raptive for monetizing content with affiliates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have your Raptive account set up. Log in to your Raptive dashboard. Navigate to the monetization section in the left-hand menu. Select the affiliate option. Click on the authorize button to begin the authorization process. You will be prompted to enter your affiliate account details. Input your affiliate ID accurately. Review the terms and conditions provided by Raptive. Once you understand the terms, check the acknowledgement box. Click on the submit button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your authorization request. Keep an eye on your email for any additional instructions. Once approved, return to your Raptive dashboard. You should now see an updated status indicating successful authorization. Navigate back to the monetization section. Review the available affiliate programs listed. Choose the affiliate programs you wish to join by clicking the appropriate buttons. Make sure to explore any promotional materials provided for each program. Set up your content monetization strategy. Track your performance metrics in the dashboard regularly. Adjust your strategies based on performance data for optimal results. Stay engaged with Raptive support for any questions or further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.